This is video part 41, showing the source photo of the drawing at lower right here. And it's from the plate in that chapter, The Fate of Non-Jews, in the book Never Again, A History of the Holocaust, published by Universe Publishers, authored by the late British historian Martin Gilbert. And here's the photo, which is captioned "A gypsy child photographed at Auschwitz." The letter Z on his tattoo stands for Zigeuner, gypsy, which is the preferred term would be Romani and or Sinti, referring to those peoples who were targeted for death by the Nazis. It's comparable to what happened to Jewish Europeans and to the physically and mentally disabled of Germany and Austria with the Action T4 euthanasia mass murder program of the disabled, which paved the way for the Holocaust that followed. All right, there's that source photograph. The photograph on the cover of Gilbert's book is from the sailing ship St. Louis, and interested viewers, including teachers, students, pupils, can visit the Other Holocaust Art gallery on my website, and there are 2 drawings I did and a linoleum block print in 2017 about the sailing ship St. Louis, which left Hamburg in 1939. All right, there you have it.